Have you ever woken up from a vivid dream about someone you know and wondered, what on earth does that mean? Today, we're diving into the depths of the human psyche to decipher the mysteries of our dreams. Let's turn back the clock to the early 20th century, to a time when Sigmund Freud, the father of psychoanalysis, introduced a theory that would stir the world of psychology. He called it the Oedipus complex, named after the tragic Greek hero Oedipus, who unknowingly kills his father and marries his mother. This theory suggests that during a certain phase in childhood, we all experience unconscious feelings of desire for our opposite-sex parent and rivalry with our same-sex parent. Now that's quite a heavy concept to digest, isn't it? But don't fret, it's not as alarming as it sounds. Freud believed that these feelings are a normal part of childhood development, and they eventually fade as we grow. He also suggested that these complex dynamics can manifest in our dreams, serving as a window into our unconscious mind.